So what I like to do if I'm cooking food is put things in the oven and then take them out so that you don't have to actually do anything. But at times, and this is one of those times, if you've done, say, I don't know, pizza and, I don't know, say, chicken nuggets and chips, 2 nights in a row, like, you're kind of running out of your things you can chuck in the oven option unless you want to get a ready meal. And I couldn't be bothered to go to the shop, so I'm like, okay, what else could be cooked? So pasta, you just boil it for a bit of time. Make sure you, instead of just throwing the water away at the end though, check it, see if it's done. That's my little tip. If you don't check it and it's not done, then you haven't got water to make it done. So that's a little tip when you're doing pasta. And then with like other stuff, you can sometimes boil them, or maybe you can just eat them already, like smoked salmon. So that's good. And then that's another option. But these look all brown, so I'm not going to eat them. So yeah, that's another. If food is brown, don't maybe eat it.